Believe it or not, over 4.4 billion people are making money online. It's a fact, a reality that we are living in. To put it into perspective, that's more than half of the global population. Yes, you heard that right. Billion, with a B. It's not a typo, not a miscommunication, but an absolute, undeniable truth. Now you may be asking, who are these people? Are they just individuals with specialized skills or the tech-savvy geniuses of our age? Well, you might be surprised at the answer. They, your everyday individuals. It's your neighbor, your cousin, your friend. It's grandmas working from their kitchens, grandpas from their garden sheds, teachers who are sharing their knowledge, lawyers who are offering their advice, doctors who are extending their assistance, all from the comfort of their homes. These people come from all walks of life, all age groups and all professions. They're dabbling in the vast ocean of possibilities that the digital age has offered them. They're turning their passions into profits, their hobbies into hustles. They are artists selling their crafts, writers publishing their thoughts, chefs teaching their recipes, fitness enthusiasts training their followers. And let's not forget about the entrepreneurs. They are building digital empires, creating online stores, developing software. The digital landscape is their playground, and they are making the most of it. They are embracing this digital revolution, leveraging it to reach out to a global audience, to market their skills, to sell their products and services. This digital age has opened up an enormous world of opportunity, a world where making $25,000 a month online is not just a dream. It's a reality for many. It's a world where your skills, your passion, your determination is the ticket to your financial success. This world is not exclusive, not reserved for a select few. It's open to you, to me, to everyone. And yet, not everyone is tapping into these opportunities. Why is that? If they can do it, why can't you? Here's how. Meet Sarah, a single mother, living to make ends meet, yet harboring an undying passion for the culinary arts. This love for cooking, which she had nurtured since her childhood, turned into a glimmer of hope when she conceived the idea of a blog. Sarah, with her simple, straightforward personality, started with nothing more than sharing her favorite recipes, tips, and tricks that she had mastered over the years. It was a humble beginning, a resonance of her personal kitchen diaries. She began with basic home-cooked meals, then gradually expanded to elaborate gourmet dishes, enticing her readers with her unique blend of flavors and cultural fusion. Soon, Sarah realized the true potential that lay within her blog. It was more than a mere hobby. It was a platform that could reach millions, and in turn, generate income. She was hungry for success, a hunger that pushed her into the vast canvas of digital marketing. She dedicated herself to unravel the perplexing world of search engine optimization, or SEO as it's commonly known. She invested her time understanding Google algorithms, keywords, and the science of link building. Sarah's blog soon started appearing on the top of search engine results, reaching a wider audience. In parallel, she dipped her toes into the deep waters of affiliate marketing. Sarah began weaving in products from various kitchenware companies into her blog, thus subtly promoting them. Each sale that originated from her blog fetched Sarah a commission. It was a win-win situation. Sarah created engaging content by demonstrating the use of these products, while also earning money. This journey was not a cakewalk. There were countless challenges and setbacks. There were days when Sarah's blog saw barely any traffic. There were nights when she wanted to give up, but she persisted. With undying consistency and strong dedication, Sarah's blog started bear fruits. It began generating more than a whopping $25,000 a month. Her passion had indeed become her paycheck. And the cherry on top? She was doing what she loved in the comfort of her own kitchen. Cooking was not just her escape, it became her means of livelihood. No longer was she just a single mother, she was now a successful entrepreneur, an inspiration for many. Sarah's story is not an exception, it's an inspiration that could be your story. Now, let's talk about John, a high school math teacher who doubled his income through online tutoring. John was a committed educator with a passion for math that was infectious. However, he found his paycheck wasn't reflecting his dedication. Seeking a way to supplement his income, he decided to take his skills into the broader digital world. He signed up for a popular e-learning platform, a community that allowed him to share his expertise with students beyond the confines of his local school. John didn't stop at simply offering classes online. He recognized the importance of creating a recognizable online presence. He dedicated time each day to create engaging content that would appeal to his audience. He knew that his potential students were scattered across the globe, browsing the internet for a reliable and passionate tutor. He developed a series of informative videos, explaining complex math problems in an easy-to-understand manner. He also offered free trial sessions so that students could get a taste of his unique teaching style. But John didn't rely solely on the platform. He utilized social media, a powerful tool that allowed him to reach a global audience. He used these platforms to share snippets of his classes, attract students, and spread the word about his online tutoring service. He connected with students from different cultures, backgrounds, and time zones, which greatly diversified his student base. John's dedication and digital marketing skills paid off. Soon, his online classes gained traction. Students were captivated by his clear explanations and unique teaching methods. Word like wildfire, and in no time, John found himself tutoring students from all corners of the globe. His student base grew exponentially, and with it, his income. In less than a year, John's online income surpassed his traditional teaching salary. His story is an inspiring example of how the right mix of skills, strategy, and digital savviness can turn the internet into a lucrative platform. John made it, and so can you. Remember, the internet is a goldmine. Last but not least, let's meet Lisa, a young entrepreneur who's making a fortune selling handmade crafts online. Lisa's journey began from her love for crafts, which she cultivated as a simple hobby to relax and unwind. She noticed that her hobby could be a potential revenue stream. With a strong passion for creativity and an instinctive understanding of marketing, Lisa took the plunge and started her very own e-commerce store. Every product was her masterpiece, and she ensured that they were presented in the best light possible. She spent countless hours each product, making sure their intricate details and uniqueness shine through every image. However, Lisa knew that having an extraordinary product line was just the beginning. She was fully aware that her products alone wouldn't guarantee success. She had to establish a deeper connection with her customers. She understood the significance of this connection and decided to adopt a personalized approach to her business. Lisa began sharing the stories behind each product. She narrated the journey of their creation, the inspiration behind each design, and the craftsmanship that went into it. This approach made her customers feel more connected to the products they were buying. She also embraced the power of social media and started engaging with her customers through various platforms. She made sure she was consistent in her interactions, always ready to answer queries and listen to feedback. Alongside this, Lisa regularly sent out newsletters, keeping her customers updated about new products and offers. To expand her reach, Lisa leveraged the power of SEO and online advertising. She meticulously planned her marketing strategies, ensuring that her store was visible to a broader audience. She stayed updated with the latest trends and implemented them effectively. And guess what? It absolutely worked. Lisa now enjoys a significant revenue stream, well above $25,000 monthly. Lisa's success is a testament to the power of online entrepreneurship. It's time for you to tap into that power. Now that you've seen what's possible, it's time for you to take action. Picture a life where your enthusiasm is your income. You're the one in control, designing your timings, and your office is any location you desire. This life is not far, and the journey begins with your first move. Identify your passion and strengths. They could be writing, teaching, marketing, or designing. The possibilities are endless. Today's digital era has made it feasible to convert almost any talent into a successful online. Once you've determined your passion or skill, the next step is exploration. Internet is an abundant source of knowledge. Look for digital platforms, communities, blogs, and courses that cater to your area of interest. Learn about how you can generate income from your skills and the different tools that assist you. It's essential to start small. It could be authoring blog posts, selling a handmade product, or providing an online tutoring session. Don't lose heart if you don't achieve instant remember. Every successful blogger, online instructor, and digital entrepreneur today was once a beginner just like you. The chance to earn money online awaits you. Don't just observe others' achievements. Be an achiever yourself. But remember, every journey begins with a single step, and that single step could lead you to the online success you've been dreaming of. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing forward. You have the skills and the passion, and with the right mindset and the right tools, you have everything you need to succeed online. So take that first step. Start your online success today. The world of online money making awaits you. Don't just watch others succeed, be the success story. And remember, Give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more inspiration and practical tips. Here's to your online success.